So in this question, there are two blocks. One is block X, which has a mass of 2 kgs, and block Y, which is bigger, has a mass 6 kg, and they are in contact with each other, and they are on frictionless horizontal table, so there is no friction. Okay, so that makes the problem probably simple. Now, force of 24 Newton is applying on the block. We have to find the acceleration of the H block. Okay. Now, because X is going to push the Y, right, it is likely that both of them will move together. So one way we can solve directly is that we can assume this as a system. So if we assume this as a system, right, the internal forces which are going to act here and here could be ignored, right, and we can find the acceleration very simply. So there's only one force now acting in the horizontal direction, which is 24 Newton. There's no friction, so we are not worried about any other force. And the mass of this combined unit is 6 plus 2, which is 8 kilograms. We can find the acceleration of both the blocks simply by F is equal to ma. F is 24 Newton towards right, and the mass is now 8, and the acceleration. So the acceleration A will be 24 by 8, which is going to be 3 meter per second square towards right. Okay. So that's simplest way of solving this. Another way is that we can break down all the forces, show all the forces, and in both the cases, the answer will come same in which way, right? So let's look at that. So X is here, it's getting acting force 24 Newton. Right? At the same time, Y is going to push the X back with some normal reaction, and by virtue of Newton's third law, you will also get the same normal reaction, pushing the block Y towards right, opposite direction, right? Equal and opposite, okay? And as a result, both of them will move with the same acceleration, A. So now let's write F equal to ma for both of them. So in this case, here the mass is 2, here the mass is 6. So the block number Y will have m, there's no other force. It's going to be mass 6 into A. Okay, that's our equation number 1. And for the block number 2, there are two forces, which is 24 minus n, right? 24 newtons minus n, the normal reaction, that is going to be equal to 2a. Right? So we have now two equations and two unknown, and a. We are going to simply add them up. This will become 24, and n and n will cut, and we'll get 8a, and the a is again going to be equal to 3 meter per second square. Now, when we have to find the normal reaction, which is saying determine the force X exert on the Y, that is, we are talking about the normal reaction, right? X exert on Y. You can find the normal reaction simply by plugging in the value of A in this equation. So, N is going to be 6 into 3, and that is going to be 18 newtons. Okay, so that's the force, 18 newtons. And with that, we're done with the problem.